How to use an Icefox 4K action camera. I'm just going to, in about 1 minute, I'm going to go over the most basic functions that you have with it, how to use it. So first of all, to turn it on and turn it off, we're just going to long press that button on top. It runs on a battery, which we can put in here. I just have it plugged in for power right now. You can slide the battery in there, and the SD card records right there. Now we can do different types of photos and videos, time-lapse videos, slow motion, all that kind of stuff. And to do that, I can just hit this top button over here on the side, and you can see I can toggle through the options of time-lapse, normal photo, auto timer photo, burst of photos, time-lapse photo, normal video, slow motion video, loop video. And then once I get once the one I want is highlighted, I can just hit this top button, or at any time, this is a touch screen, so I can just touch whatever one I want. If I put it on normal video, so now I'm in normal video mode. So if I want to just go ahead and start the video, now if I wanted to take a picture, it would be the same. I'm just going to tap this, and now it's recording. So now this video is being recorded now. You're going to hear me talking. And then when I'm done, I can just go ahead and hit this button to stop the recording. Or if I had been taking a picture, that would take a picture. Now, once I have those and I want to play it back, this bottom left here is how I get to the playback. So I'm looking at the video playback, and this is going to open up the videos that I have. And then I can go ahead and play that video back that I just made. Right. So it's obviously muffled because I'm just holding it in my hand like that. Then I can go back. If I want to delete that video, I can just hit delete here. And then I can delete this single file that I have, or I could delete them all the files if I wanted to. Now, I can, oops, that's not what I wanted to do. If I want to go back to the main screen here, one other thing you may want to do on here is just connect this to Wi-Fi. If I want to get to the Wi-Fi, all I need to do is go down, hit this right button here, and when I have the video options and camera options, one of the options is just the Wi-Fi option, and then that will give me this option here where I can go ahead and get connected to the Wi-Fi and transfer my files that way. So that's all there is to it. Hope this video helped, and if you're interested in this camera, I'll put a link to where you can get it.